Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how we can integrate audio and video. Let us start with the audio first. So we go to Insert, and then on the right side, we have an audio option. If you already have an audio file or an audio clip, then you can simply select it from here, like this. Or if you want to record it, you can directly record it using record audio. So you click on this, select the record button, and then when you stop, a clip will be saved like this. And then of course the user can play on it. Right? So you can play by clicking on it. The option for a video is one, to simply go to icons. And here we have the option for the videos given by Microsoft, which is here. Even though this list is not that diverse, but it does have a few quick options in it. So if you're in a hurry and you want something, simply come here and select one of these. So here we go. And you have a video like this. Pretty cool, right? On the video options, I can also go to playback and then select loop until stopped so that it keeps on playing. I can also start either in sequence. That means that it will come when the slide opens, when clicked on, which means that it will only play when the user clicks on it, or automatically. So for example, if I say when clicked on and the user goes slideshow, it won't play until and unless you click on it. If you select automatically, the moment you go slideshow, it will start playing automatically. And you notice that this keeps on playing in a loop. So as long as you keep talking and as long as you don't shift to the next slide, it will keep playing. Videos also have an option for cropping. That means that maybe you don't want to fill up the entire slide, so you can crop it like this. And this way you have some space on the right where you can keep some other things, maybe a text, maybe a table, maybe an image, and you can have the video here. Of course, the video does not need to fill up the entire slide as well. You can maybe just fill it up in one corner of the screen. That's really up to you. The other options for videos are to go to websites that I've already mentioned. The one that I personally go to is Pexels. Pexels has some great options for videos. So I can go to videos and then search for Office. And you can see here we have 12,500 videos available. I'm selecting one of these. Now remember, the video size you have to be careful about, because if you choose like maybe a full HD, it's going to be pretty large in size. And that way the size of your PowerPoint will also increase. So I'm going to choose a standard definition. I think that's more than enough. We come back, insert, go to video, and then select this device. And that's it. We have our video like this. I've also set it to play automatically. And now you notice the moment you go slideshow, the video starts to play. So I'm just pasting the link to the website here. So we are on Pexels. Here we go. The next option that we have is to do a screen recording. So maybe you want to create some documentation or some help, and you want to show how to perform an action on Excel, just as an example. So what we are doing here is I have my Excel open. I'll come back to my PowerPoint, insert, and then we have an option for screen recording. Now remember, this is not just for Excel or for PowerPoint or for Microsoft Office. It can record your screen, which means that anything and everything that is playing on your screen at the moment can be recorded. So I'm only going to select this area, which are the cells, like this. You can decide if you want the audio to be recorded as well or not. And you can also decide if you want the pointer to come or not. For now, I'm going to turn off the audio, but turn on the record pointer. I go to record. It says 3, 2, 1, and then the recording starts. So now you can explain to the user. So you can say that if you have some numbers and maybe you want all the numbers to remain as a number but start with a 0, you can right click, go to format cells, and on custom in the type you can just put 4 zeros. And now you have 4 zeros like this. Then I can stop the recording, and now this entire recording has been saved, as you can see, inside my PowerPoint. From here, you can even right click and then save the video as an MP4 file on your desktop that you can reshare with others. So this is great. Earlier, you would have had to have a separate application that would do this for you. But now all of these things can be done directly within PowerPoint. There really isn't much else to tell you in terms of audio and video, but do remember to use these things, and remember it's always about the user. So it's not about when should we use it, because it's not really our liking. It's about the client. If the client prefers this, use it. If the client does not prefer it, do not use it. But also remember that a lot of cases you have to educate the customer. So they might not realize how much value this can bring. So at least demonstrate it, get some feedback on it before you decide whether it's good for them or not.